So, today's coffee is called the Black. Comes in a funky little can. Looks like a little keg. So, the Black is made by the Blend Dido. So, pretty excited about this one. This should be pretty cool. It's a hot coffee straight out of the vending machine. So, sticking with the theme properly this time. All right, I'll press pause and crack it open. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so that's got a bit more flavour than yesterday's one. Yeah, I can definitely taste the coffee in there. That's pretty good. And I think you can hear in the background, there's about to be a train go past. Somewhere. Oh, there it is. Yes. Finding secluded places in Japan might be a little difficult. Or quiet places. So, hey, look, that's not a bad coffee. It's got more flavour than the previous one. So, it gets extra marks for being in a funky little keg-shaped cans. Yeah, nice coffee. Wouldn't put it in my top 5, but definitely something you could drink out of a vending machine on a cold morning.